Take it or not, the metaverse is the next big thing. I tell you this for free, and with the pace at which it is being discovered, this is the best time to invest into mastering how to develop for this evolving technology. The official release of the new Unreal Engine 5 marks the start of a new era, where creating decent games becomes a casual task you could complete in a matter of days. The level of confidence I have in the future of simplified resources made available in this release is super strong. The virtual reality template that comes with Unreal Engine, in this case Unreal Engine 5, is a great foundation to build upon. There is no limit. You can be as creative as you wish. In this video, for example, I simply added sound effects to the shooting component of the virtual reality template. So when I use the template piece tool, it feels a lot more real. I then preview the changes inside the Oculus Quest 2 headset. A very powerful virtual reality technology, given the quality of experience you are able to get from a standalone device. To make it straightforward to follow, I divided the process into 4 tasks. I start by downloading and installing the Oculus app. I then configured Oculus Air Link. The Oculus Air Link is an Oculus Quest 2 feature that gives us that wireless experience when playing or viewing what we've created. Thirdly, I download and install the recently released Unreal Engine 5. Finally, I create a fresh VR project and add the sound effects before previewing inside the Oculus Quest 2 headset. I download the Oculus app from the Oculus website, oculus.com/setup. I scroll down. I see the option to download the Oculus Quest 2 PC app. I click on the download button. As soon as the download completes, I open up the installation file and follow the prompts to install the Oculus app. Get started. Install now. Installation complete and I add my headset. Add headset. Select your headset. In my case, it is a Quest 2, so I select accordingly. Continue. Select a connection method. I want to use wireless connection method, so I select Airlink. Clicking on continue leads us to the second task. Configure Airlink. I'm going to put on my Oculus Quest 2 headset and navigate to quick settings at the top left corner of the home screen. I then select settings to access experimental features. I identify Airlink and switch it on. Continue. Now that Oculus Airlink is enabled, let's go ahead and connect it. The Oculus Airlink is now visible on the quick settings page. I select this option and then follow the prompt to pair my PC with my Oculus Quest 2 headset. I confirm the pairing code on my PC. I navigate back to the headset and select continue. As simple as that, the Oculus Airlink is now configured and connected. The one other thing that we need to do is to enable unknown sources from the Oculus app. I get this done by navigating to the left side of the screen and selecting the settings option. I click on general and then switch on the button to enable unknown sources. Also, very importantly, make sure Oculus is set as the active OpenXR runtime. This concludes the second task. Next, I download and install the newly released Unreal Engine 5. unrealengine.com. I navigate to the top right corner of the homepage to download Epic Games Launcher. On the download page, click on Download Launcher. Open up the installation file and follow the prompts to install the software. Before installation can complete, signing into your account is required. So just go ahead and sign in. The Epic Games Launcher is ready. At the top right corner of the screen, click on Install Engine and then follow the prompt to install the new Unreal Engine 5. The size of this powerful software is very large, so the download process will take some time. When download and installation completes, it is best practice to restart your PC. Once computer is back up and running again, the first thing I do is open the Oculus app and launch Airlink inside the Oculus Quest 2 headset. Make sure you leave the Oculus app running. I then open up Epic Launcher. If you get this prompt, just go ahead and click on Fix Now. At the top right, I launch Unreal Engine 5. I am presented with the Unreal Project browser. On the left side of the browser, the Games option is selected by default, and that is what we want. I am building for virtual reality, so I select the virtual reality template and name my project. We are all set to create the project. I click on the Create button. Our template is ready. However, it is best practice to allow some time for shaders compilation. Right-click on the Piece2 item and select Edit. As I mentioned earlier, my aim in this video is to add some sound effects to the template Piece2, so when it is triggered, it feels a lot more real. To achieve this, I create two simple nodes. The first node is Play Sound at Location, and the second node is Get Actor Location. We create these nodes by right-clicking on the graph and searching for the Play Sound at Location node and Get Actor Location node. Accordingly, I connect the Play Haptic Effect node to the Play Sound at Location node. I connect the Get Actor Location node to the Play Sound at Location node. Now it is time to select what sound effect to use. I decided to use one of the sound effects from the YouTube audio library. It is named Gunshot and Echo Lung. There's a lot to choose from. It is up to you. Before I bring the sound into Unreal Engine, I need to make sure it is in WAV format. So if you are going to be using sound effects from YouTube audio library, conversion from MP3 to WAV is simply necessary. Tools like Adobe Audition or Premiere Pro will do the job. To bring the sound into the engine, open up the content browser and create a new folder. Name this folder whatever you wish. Open the folder and right-click on the empty space and then select the import option to import the WAV file. Once this is done, right-click on the WAV file and select Create Queue. Open up the queue and increase the volume as loud as you wish. Save your changes to the queue, save your changes to the WAV file. I go back and edit the Piece2 file again. I navigate to the Play Sound at Location node. I select my sound effect accordingly and then compile my changes. I save the VR template map and put on my headset to make sure the Oculus Airlink is launched. I close the Unreal Editor and open again. The VR preview option is now enabled. I launch this option, put on my headset, and we're good to go. Virtual reality is evolving for sure. I would say let's wait and see. It is only a matter of time. The technology itself is advancing steadily. Give another 5 years from now, this market is bound to be a big deal. Big tech giants are very interested. And this only means one thing: